We're now going to assess calculating permutations like we did in the previous video, but for situations which give context. So this one here says, write in permutation form, then solve. So how many different ways can 6 people sit for a photo? Now, in this situation here, if we want to flick back to our old days, we're going to be looking at 6 people here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that can sit for a photo. So in the first situation, we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we actually don't need to use permutation form here. We can just write this as 6 factorial. Or we can write this as 6 permutation, and we're rearranging it in terms of 6 objects. Now, both of these situations will give us the same answer. So, plugging into our calculator, 6 shift 7, which is our factorial, is 720. And to confirm our answer here, shift 8, 6, 6, and that should be 720 as well. Fantastic. So, there's both our answers. There are 720 different ways that 6 people can sit for a photo. Pretty remarkable. The next question, part B, is that 8 people finish first, second, and third. So how many different ways can that occur? Well, we have in total 8 people, so n is equal to 8, and the number of possibilities, or number of ways we're ordering these, is 3. So our notation is 8p3, and assessing using our calculator, npr 8, 3, close bracket, and we get 336 ways or arrangements. Now, instead of the word ways, you can write permutations. Also write permutations like that. So now onto the your turn. Have a crack at those, and then so pause the video and then play the video when you're ready to check your answers. So the your turns are as such. How many different ways can change the order of 12 math jokes be told? So how many different ways can 12 math jokes be told? Okay, makes it a bit easier to read. So this one here, if you lay out 12 math jokes, you're not choosing only 5 of them or anything like that. So that means it's just going to be 12 times 11 times 10 times 9, the multiplicative rule that we learned in 10a.1. So this is just going to be 12 factorial, or we can write this as 12 permutation, and we're arranging it in 12 objects. If we assess those both in our calculator, we can say that that is that rather large number there. So 479,001,600 ways of saying those 12 math jokes. Wow, it's quite a few. And to confirm that, we can go shift 8 to get our permutation up and go 12, 12, and let's see if the same number pops up. And it does. Part B, a line of 3 people must be chosen from 9 people. So in this case, n is equal to 9. We've got 9 people in total, and we're making a row or an arrangement of 3, so R's 3. So we can't use just a straight away use a factorial for this. This is going to be a permutation question. So in permutation form, this would be 9 permutation 3. And if we assess in our calculator, and remember to practice these by hand as well, 504. So there's a 504 ways that 9 people can be arranged in a line of 3. So there's our answers there. We're going to move on. In fact, I think we're all finished here. You need to complete Sadler exercise 10A. Brilliant. Well done.